All right, everybody, hope everyone's having a wonderful day. So I just got in the first mod to the bike. So what I'll do is I'll do a quick little unboxing here in just a moment. Open it up, show you guys and gals what we have. But this is something that I actually have the same thing on my Road Glide right there. But anyway, I'll go ahead and unbox this and we'll start out, and I'll film a little unboxing for y'all, show everyone how it works. It works well enough that I have two now. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you this is gonna go on my 2022 Lowrider S. I do have some more boxes and mods for it, but this is really the first one right here that I'm going to be doing, and I'm expecting some more stuff to come in today. You'll look, there's a couple boxes right there, and then this is the next one. This is my new exhaust for the motorcycle. It is an exhaust system, and then I have a couple other things in these couple boxes right here. But let me get everything set up, and then we'll do an unboxing. Let me get my tools out, and we'll go ahead with the first little mod. Again, I'm expecting a couple more packages to come in, but right now this is the first one we're gonna do. All right, so go ahead and open this up and show everyone what it is. And nothing big, but right there it is, folks, a Lidlox. So this is made to go on your motorcycle, so you can lock your helmet down on it. And I've used this on my Road Glide, but this is a very cool product. It doesn't take up a lot of space. So I'll get everything set up and get this opened up, and we'll start the install. Won't take but just a few minutes. All right, everyone, so we're back. So I got the package open. So this will end up sitting right here. So what you do is you remove this screw. This piece right here drops in. Here's a little spacer, and then this bolts in right here, if you can see that. So it goes on like this, and then it's got the lock mechanism, screws into here, locks down, and you have to use the key to put this piece in. And then it's got a little set screw right here that you tighten up that locks it into place so it can't back out. And then what you do is you set your helmet there. You can hang it, and it's got a little bracket or a little adapter piece to it that you can either put in here and kind of hang your helmet down, or if you don't got one that will fit in here, and the pin, the little plunger, locks it into place. If you don't got one that'll fit in there, that's what that little adapter is for. So you can thread through your helmet and then do that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So the first step is to remove this bolt right here. So this is going to loosen up. It doesn't loosen up too much to where this will twist. Then you won't have to mess with it. But so as simple as pulling that bolt out. Now to put it back in, and I've already assembled this a little bit, is really this is what you got right here. If you can see, you just drop your bolt in there, use your little spacer, and this uses an Allen key. Put it in and tighten it up. And as it's getting tighter, what you want to do is make sure that this part is straight, either up or to the side, or however you want. I like mine to be up. So that's in there pretty tight. Everything is back tight right there. So that piece is really done. All right. All right, everyone. So the next part is this little part right here. So you see there's a little plunger right there. You put that in, get it lined up. You can lock it into place. But what I'm going to do now is take this piece here and start getting it inserted in. Alright, so that's locked, and then it's unlocked. And then all you do is take this little piece right here, this little Allen screw, and you start tightening it up. Get that in there. You snug it down, and now it is installed. Very easy. So the way you use this thing, you have to use this helmet. I don't use it very often, but as you see, it doesn't really have on this helmet, it doesn't really have a D-ring that'll slide down in there. So what you can do is take your piece here, slide it through like that. You can set it down in here, push and lock that. Now you can't, your helmet just can't walk off. It's locked in there, and you can just leave it like that. And to unlock it, get it back around here, put it like that. Yeah, get my key back out, and that's like that. I would tell you, if you leave your bike out in the rain a lot or do anything like that, every once in a while just squirt just a tad bit of WD-40 in there and work it back and forth, and that'll help keep it from sticking in. I'll grab my other helmet and show you how it works. Alright, so if everyone can see, so this is my other helmet. Of course, I got my GoPro mount on there right now. You set your other helmet down on here, you can just take and drop your D-rings down in there, push it and lock it. Now your helmet just can't be walked off with. And then again, to unlock it, it just uses your little key. Now you can pick your helmet up. So to me, that's the one I like. It's kind of not intrusive, and it does a really good job. So that's the one that I currently running. I'm running the same one on my Road Glide, and I bought one for this, and it's a really good helmet lock. I like it. Of course, like anything else, it's just going to keep honest people honest, and if a true thief wants in it, he'll figure out how to get it out. So, all right, hope everybody has a good day.